This is just such a historic day, and not just for Munson Medical Center, but for the entire organization. We've had a challenging last 10 months, and it's kind of fitting that as we start a new year, 2021, we have this moment of hope, and we see optimism on the horizon.
Many years from now, we're going to look back on this day and remember it as when the first employees received the vaccine, and I couldn't be more excited.
I am just so excited that we are now embarking on a way to keep our staff who've been taking care of COVID-19 patients with all this PPE and then going home and being scared for months on end for their safety and for their family safety. I am so happy to be able to offer them a vaccine that now makes it safe for them to go to work and take care of these patients.
Megan is my daughter. She works in respiratory therapy on the front lines, and I'm the employee health nurse at Munson. I give vaccines. That's part of my job. So to be able to give her this vaccine today, it really is the highlight of my career.
To use a football analogy, I would tell people we're at halftime, and our best defensive player just came back in the game. But we still have to play well at all the other different positions, and we have to make sure we don't fumble the ball and we get through the fourth quarter. I hope the vaccine and this vaccination, it literally is a shot in the arm for people, gives them the energy to finish the game, and to finish the game we got to keep doing those other things that are at times very frustrating.
What motivated me to get the vaccine is to take the next step in the right direction to, get things back to the way that they can be.
We are willing to be on the front line so that you don't have to be on the front line. So we're willing to be those people that go out there, get the immunization, trust in science. We have to trust in science. And so for that, we are willing to get that injection.
This vaccine is very safe. It was studied in the same number of patients that any other vaccine was. It was expedited somewhat just because of the process and more people studying it like that. So I think it's very safe. And again, there were no corners cut on the studying itself like that.
I hope that anybody that sees this understands that the vaccine is available and it's going to come in stages. Take your time, and until then, do your part and literally wear the mask. I'm very happy that I'm here, and I'm very happy that I'm contributing.